In a project, there is a two costs. One is direct cost, another one is indirect cost. Direct costs are obtained numbers like materials, raw materials, scaffolding materials, and everything which is involved in the direct costing. But whereas there is another cost which is known as indirect costing. Indirect costs include your overhead charges, other expenditures. We are going to discuss about indirect costs in this project, in this presentation. Direct costs are costs directly accountable to a cost subject, such as project facilities, etc. Some overhead costs which can be directly attributed to a project, which means a designated project manager, may also classified as a direct cost. Initial delivery are not included in a direct attributable cost. Direct costs are directly attributable to the project. In construction, the costs of the materials, labor, equipments, and all directly involved efforts of expenses for the cost subjects are direct costs. In manufacturing and other non-construction activities, the portion of operating cost which is directly assignable to a scientific product or a process is a direct cost. Direct costs are those for activities or services that benefit specific projects. For example, salaries for a project staff and materials required for a particular project. Because these activities are easily traced to projects, their costs usually charged to project on item by item basis. Direct costs typically include direct materials used in the project, direct labor, direct expenditure such as royalty payment, etc. Indirect costs extend beyond the expenses you incur creating a product to include the costs involved with maintaining and running the company. These overhead costs are the ones left over after direct cost has been computed. The materials and supplies needed for a company's day-to-day operations are example of indirect costs. While these items contribute to the company as a whole, they are not assigned to the creation of any one of the services. Indirect costs include supplies, utilities, office equipments, rental, desktop computers, cell phones, etc. Much like direct costs, indirect costs can be both fixed and variables. Fixed indirect costs include things like rent. Variable costs including the fluctuating cost of electricity and gas. Differences between direct and indirect costs and why it is important. A simple trick to classifying payments as direct or indirect costs is that direct costs encompass the costs involved with creating, developing, and releasing a product. Direct costs include manufacturing supplies, equipments, raw material, labor costs, other production costs. Conversely, indirect costs encompass costs not directly related to the development of your business product or services. Indirect costs include utilities, office supplies, office technology, marketing campaigns, accounting and payroll services, employees benefit and perk programs, insurance costs. As a business owner, knowing the difference between both the type costs is important because 1. It helps you a greater understanding of your product or a service, which can lead to more competitive pricing. 2. You have a better grasp of your accounting and can better plan for your future business. It also matters when it times to file your taxes. Some direct and indirect costs are tax deductible. Examples of tax deductible direct costs include repairs to your business equipment such as your production line. Tax deductible indirect costs may include rent payments, utilities, and certain insurance costs. Each business situation is different. However, your accountant can advise you which costs you are qualified. See how to prepare an indirect cost estimation. Project, you can mention the project name, variable, wages and salaries. You can put that amount per day. Fixed, office expenses, what is that amount? Site allowances, what is that amount? Operation of site allowances, this. Others is this. So total fixed indirect will be this much amount. Total indirect is equal to fixed indirect plus variable indirects, that is rupees per day, into product duration. We will discuss about indirect cost estimation in wages detail. And salaries. Supervision charges. Project manager, how many numbers? Rate per day. Project superintendent, numbers, rate per day. General superintendent, numbers per day. Trade superintendent, number per day. Master mechanic, numbers per day. What is the wages? Assistant mechanics, things. Others, what are the others, like site supervisor, storekeeper, etc., etc., etc. You can go on adding it. This total will come to a wages and salaries account. Now come to the engineering. Engineering, again a project engineer, numbers, rate per day. What is this? Office engineer, cost engineer, schedule engineer, design engineer, field engineer, technician, and any other staffs included. This comes under the engineering indirect cost. Now comes to office and clerical. Office manager, again how many numbers, rate per day. Personnel manager, purchase agents, accountants, paymaster, warehouse chief, general help, equipment clerks, and other things. This all comes under the office and clerical staff indirect cost. Medical and safety and security. Safety supervisors, again numbers, what is the rate? First aid man, what is the rate per day, and etc. Nurses, security man, watchman, and any other peoples. This all comes under the medical and safety security indirect costing. Salaried staff employment benefits. This employment benefits covers workman compensation, total security and company pension plan, unemployment insurance, health and welfare, group insurance, vacation and holiday pay. This sum of the total cost percentage into 15% will be adjustable against the taxes. This is a total salaried staff employee benefits indirect taxes. Travel time, traveling employees, how many numbers, rate per day, this is the amount, go on. The total amount. Labor adjustment, this item covers shift premiums, height premiums, underground premium, compressed air premium, production bonus, equipment premium, etc., etc. Office expenditure. Office equipments and supplies, furniture and franchises, equipment such as computer, etc., supplies and stationery, postages, postage machines, badges, stencils, payroll, other things. This comes office equipment and supplies indirect expenses. Engineering equipment and supplies, surveys equipments, production equipments, drafting equipments, computer expenses, photographic expenses, consulting and tendering charges, others. This comes engineering equipment and supplies indirect cost. Legal and public relations, legal fees, audit fees, donation, public relations, and others. This comes legal and public relation indirect expenses. This all total comes around to office expenses indirect costs. Now comes medical and safety suppliers. Medical examination, what is cost? Medical supplies, what is cost? Safety and weather, how much is cost? Signs and barricades, how much is cost? Fire protection supplies, how much is cost? Others is cost. This is the medical and safety supplies total cost, indirect cost. Employee move in and out, hourly employees, salaried employees, head office visits, executives, family moving in and out, others. This all comes under the employees move in and move out indirect expenses. Catering cost, room and boarding allowances, living expenses allowances, others. This comes catering costs, subsistence costs, indirect allowances. Non-recoverable insurance costs, insurance claims, example auto insurances, others. This all comes non-recoverable insurance costs. Insurance, taxes and bonds. Insurance, taxes, bonds, equipment taxes, equipment vehicle license, others. This all comes under insurance and taxes, bonds, indirect costs. Communication expenses, rental of telephone and telex, long distance calls, telegraphic charges, telex fax line charges, etc. These are all comes under the communication expenses, indirect taxes. Freight expenses, freight and express costs, handling and packing, others. This comes freight expenses, indirect costs. Miscellaneous, special groups, parties, entertainment, office rentals, dues, licenses, permits, others. These are all comes miscellaneous indirect tax. Site installation, equipment assembly instruction, cost of the assembly of the project equipments, construction of non-ray board chart, construction of site hall, preparation of campsites, yard areas, construction of piers, loading platforms, construction of fences, others. These are all comes construction of non-pay roads, yards, indirect costs. Project building, erection and dismantling, office warehouses, camp and house trailers, workshops, explosive magazines, working platforms, material weight scales, others. These are all comes project building, erection and dismantling costs. Service installation removal, water system, sewerage system, drainage system, air supply and distribution, heating and distribution system, standby generators, power lines and lighting system, electrical hookups, communication installation and others. These are all comes under the service installation and removal indirect cost expenditure. Shop equipment and shop tools, purchase and installation of shop tool including hoists, winches, jacks, etc., power tools, etc. This comes shop equipment's indirect cost. Final cleanup. This covers cost of labor, equipment or material to clean up the site and others. This is called final cleanup indirect costs. You might be assuming it. Is so many indirect costs? Yes. Beyond this also there are some indirect costs which I am not aware of it. Whenever you are preparing a bidding or a tendering, you have to consider all these indirect expenditure. Generally, the indirect expenditure, whenever we are saying, we call it as a overhead. This will cost you around about 10 to 15% of your project cost, out of which some amount may be recoverable, some may not be recoverable. Only the person, that means who is a quantity manager, he will be in a position to clarify all these things. So indirect cost plays a major role. So before bidding or quoting, consider all these things, indirect expenditure in your project. Operation and site installation, road and yard maintenances, project operation maintenances, service operation maintenances, etc. Indirect transportation, pickup, crew cabs, crew transportation, etc. Warehouse operation, vehicles and driver, pickup services, yard equipments and other. Service maintenance equipment, shop supply like bolt, nuts, etc. Welding supply, general shop labors and others. Expandables, cost of machine attachment, that means wear and tear. Electrical power charges, project small tools. Others, financing, what will be the finance cost? Head office support, what will be the head office expenditure? Escalation, what is the escalation value? Contingencies, that is including flood, strikes, tax for expenditure. Bonus or penalty, what is the value? Wages and salaries, indirect costs, supervision charges, engineering charges, office clerical, medical safety, office expenditure, engineering equipment, legal, medical, employees move in and move, employee benefits, travel time pay, labor adjustment, catering costs, non-recoverable costs, insurance, taxes and bans, communication expenses, freight expenses, miscellaneous. Others, financing, cost of financing, head office support, head office maintenance charge, office facilities, bonus, penalty. Wages and salaries, supervision charges of various technical staffs involved in the project. I try to explain you what I know when I was a contract manager. These all the indirect costs I used to calculate it. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided as below. Once again, thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can motivate and give you further good presentation.